Ready?
Yeah.
So we have done up to question number 10, right? I'm not getting your voice. Yeah. Okay. We have done up to question number 10.
Yeah, we done.
So now we have to start with question number, 11th. 5x plus 10. This is 7x. This is 6x minus 5. And 5x minus 5. 5x minus 5. Right? So this quadrilateral had how many sides? Hello.
Yes.
This quadrilateral had how many sides? This polygon, sorry. 1, 2,
Five.
3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. So sum of all interior angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180, right? There are 5 minus 2 into 180, so it becomes 3 into 180, so it becomes 540, right? Do you get? Okay. Now sum of, so we have 4x plus 5x plus 10 plus 7x plus 6x minus 5 plus 5x minus 5 is equal to 540, right? So this is plus 10 minus 5 minus 5 cancelled, and when we add all this, so how much you will get? 5 5 10 13. I hope 27x.
Yeah.
27x is equal to 540. So x is equal to 540 upon 27, right? It's 20 degree. So x is 20, right? So this angle will be 4 into 20 is equal to 80 degree. This is 5 into 20 plus 10 becomes 110 degree, right? Sorry, this is 110 degree. This is 7 into 20. It becomes 140. This is 6 into 20 minus 5 becomes 115 degree, right? And this is 5 into 20 minus 5. So you get 100 minus 5 becomes 95 degree. You get it?
Yeah.
So what is the sum of all these angles? 80, 110, 140, 115. That is, and this is 95. Is it? You done this? Shreya,
Yeah.
you done?
Yeah. I'm done.
All angles you find. Okay. Now we have next exercise. Exercise 9B. Is it? What I told you about regular polygon?
All the angles are equal.
Oh, great. We can say that in regular polygon, all sides are equal. All sides are equal and all interior angles are equal, right? This is so as I told you, exterior angle and interior angle of a regular polygon, right? Find the interior and exterior angles of a regular pentagon. If there is a regular pentagon, right? Suppose all these sides are equal. This is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. Right? So I told you in polygon, sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Right? It does not matter how many sides it is having. Sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. And as n is equal to 5, so an exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by 5. It is 75. No. Okay. 7 times 5 becomes 35 and 2 times 5 becomes 10. 72 degree. 72 degree. Right? So here exterior angle of pentagon. This exterior angle is equal to 72 degree. Right? And this angle will be interior angle. So we can take 180 minus 72 becomes 108. Right? So interior angle of pentagon is 108. Otherwise, you can get with the formula an interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree upon n. Right? So that is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree upon 5. So this is 3 into 180 upon 5. Right? It is 3 times 5 becomes 15. 18 minus 15 is 36. 36 into 3 becomes 108. Right? If you get by formula, you can get it like this. If you can use this exterior angle plus interior angle is 180 degree, then you can find like this. Right? Did you get? Yeah.
Yeah,
You got it?
I did.
So we can do by two methods. First is a universal method. Now I hope your teacher also told you that sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Right?
Yeah, it is.
For all polygons, sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Sorry, 360 degree. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Right? Oh my god. Can you get the exterior angle of an octagon?
Of an octagon?
Yeah. Should I rub this?
Yeah, you can rub it.
For octagon.
The 8-sided one.
Yeah. Exterior angle. Is this? Is this?
Yeah.
45 degree. For a heptagon. For a heptagon. 360 by 7. How much it will be? Is this 51 whole 3 degree upon 7? Is it? Is this correct?
Yeah, it's 51.42.
I'm not going in decimals.
No, yeah, it's basically that.
Okay. So, can you do one more? For a nanogun. Nanogun, an exterior angle will be how much? What do you mean by nanogun? How many sides?
9
Yeah, great.
to 40.
Yes. It's 40 degree. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Interior angle. Can you find B part? Interior angle. An interior angle of a hexagon. An interior angle of hexagon. Right? So we can write n minus 2 into 180 upon n. So it is 6 minus 2 into 180 degree upon 6. Right? So 3 times 6 becomes 18. So it is 30 degree. and 6 minus 2 becomes 4. 4 times 30 becomes 120. So 120 degree. So an interior angle of a hexagon is 120 degree. Fine.
Yeah.
You get this? Okay. Another way, exterior angle of a hexagon is how much? Exterior angle of hexagon. Hexagon is 360 divided by 6 becomes 60 degree. Now,
Yeah.
now exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So interior angle is equal to 180 minus 60 becomes 120. Right? We can do by this way also. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we come to question number 8?
Okay.
Should I rub?
Yeah, you can have it.
So we have question number 8. Right? Okay. What is that? There is a square. Right? First we have regular pentagon. There is regular pentagon. Right? This is regular pentagon. Okay. Now there is regular hexagon. Right? Regular hexagon. Diagram is correct? How? And there is a square. Right? This is a square. Square. Right? So what will be the angle between these two? In square, an interior angle is equal to 90 degree. Is it? This angle will be of 90 degree in pentagon. In pentagon, interior angle is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180 upon 5. It becomes 36. It is 3. So 108. So this angle is 108. Oh, sorry. 108 degree. And in hexagon, interior angle is equal to 120 degree, right? This angle will be of 120 degree, right? And this as a whole, will be complete angle. This as a whole will be complete angle. Complete angle. That is 360 degree. Right? If we say this as x, so 90 plus 108 plus 120 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Is this so? Is this? So how much you get here? Share.
Yeah.
Sum of all this is how much?
It's 360 minus 318. So that's
It is
42.
318.
Yeah, so 42.
This is 318 plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 318 is how much?
42.
Sure? Yeah, it's 42. So this x becomes 42 degree. Is this so? You done this much?
Yeah.
Okay. Shreya, can we call off today? Here itself?
Yeah, okay.
Actually, here in India, this is the exam time. So I have so many students, those who are having exams. So
Yeah,
I cannot miss their classes. When you are having your annual exams?
it's gonna come later, so
Pardon?
it's gonna come later, so it's fine.
It's somewhere in August or September or in July.
No, we have like exams, like I think close to every month. So we're probably gonna have one soon. For each chapter, we have an exam, and then we have a final exam after that. So
So when you will have your final exams?
I'll have to check.
Okay. So will you help me today? Okay, today we postpone here. Tomorrow positively I'll manage the so that I'll give you
Yeah,
proper
yeah,
more than 1
it's
hour.
it's fine. It's fine.
Right? So we'll meet tomorrow again.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'm very sorry for today. Right?
No.
Okay then. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.